Hey, what's going on, family? I go by the name of Tone Prestige. I'm an Atlanta cryptocurrency investor, and you may or may not have heard of Bitcoin. But today I'm going to touch up on about 10 questions, real brief, and give you a quick rundown. What I'm saying, a little bit of insight of what's going on in our world. All right. Number one, question is, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin pretty much is a peer-to-peer digital currency that acts as the internet of money. And in a nutshell, it allows you to make transactions on the blockchain. All right. Number two, what is the blockchain? For the most part, the blockchain is an open ledger where you're making different transactions, like stated, with cryptocurrency algorithms, and it's done through a network of computers. Okay. Number three, what is decentralized? Pretty much decentralized is self-explanatory. It's exactly what it states. There's no authority. You don't have to worry about a lot of big banks, entities, or different things of that nature, governments running on blockchain or through the crypto world. Okay. Number four, Bitcoin scarcity. For the most part, Bitcoin scarcity is a good thing because it's not a whole lot of them. It's 21 million total. About 21 million total, and with that being stated, the Bitcoin scarcity it helps prevent counterfeiting, and also the rise of inflation. Number five, how is Bitcoin created? Bitcoin is created through a process called mining. Basically, again, through a group of network of computers, and they mine and they find these coins through a different process called mining. Okay, what is block halving? Basically, block halving is when the miners who we speak of, their payments are cut in half, in a nutshell, and that's usually done in a period of over 4 years. Cut their payments in half. Okay, number seven, what is a confirmation? Basically, a confirmation is when you obtain proof of that transaction, and it just pretty much verifies a transaction. Okay, number eight, what is a transaction ID? In a nutshell, transaction ID is kind of sort of like a receipt number. It helps you identify that particular transaction on the actual blockchain. So that's what a transaction ID is. Number nine, we're going to go with Block Explorer. What is a Block Explorer? It's pretty much just a close-up online view of the blockchain, and it just lets you look at it from a closer perspective, open ledger of the blockchain. Okay, number 10. What are 3 ways to buy Bitcoin? Okay, for the most part, there's 3 ways. You can do this peer to peer. You can purchase those coins, basically person to person. Secondly, you could utilize a Bitcoin ATM. There are several of those that are kind of scattered about in different cities, as well as what's the third one? You can, I said peer to peer and Bitcoin ATM, and you can also get them on a actual exchange. Now those exchanges kind of consist of like Coinbase and things of that nature, and that's pretty much it. And that concludes the questions for today. And again, I go by the name Tone Prestige, and I'm an Atlanta cryptocurrency investor. You can check the link down below, and sign up for some things to help you get started. And again, pleasure's all mine. Signing off.
Success.
Run your race, man.
Yeah. Success.
Feel it, man.
Yeah.
We up.
They say success is not final.
That's real.
Failure is not fatal. For it's the courage to continue that counts. Law of the land.
Let's go.
Check me out.
Most people chase success without the clearest mindset. There's billions on the table. My life is not a fable. Born without a brother, so there is no Cain and Abel. walking on a tightrope, they dangling from a cable. Business and manufacturing is what I'm after. If my life was a book, it wouldn't be an ending chapter. Law of the land, sees as eternal life. I found that good thing, I married my wife. I gotta get it up, you know I need residuals. I'm trying to buy an island off the coast of Africa. Mbuja, the largest one in Tanzania. Underpopulated, it ain't even hit a meal. See, baby girl, he ain't loving you right. I'm focused on success, I'm trying to get right. Let's build up companies, annuities, longevities. I'm talking generational wealth across the 7 seas. Mutual funds, bank dividends, invest in Bitcoin. I need all my ends. I'm on a mission and I promise I'ma take mine. The only thing you can't buy back is your time. See, baby girl, he ain't loving you right. I'm focused on success, I'm trying to get right. Let's build up companies, annuities, longevity. I'm talking generational wealth across the 7 seas. Mutual funds, bank dividends, invest in Bitcoin. I need all my ends. I'm on a mission and I promise I'ma take mine. The only thing you can't buy back is your time. Success. Yes. Success. Yes. Assets versus liabilities, grasshopper. Never forget that the tortoise won the race against the hare. Silly rabbit.